Hello and welcome to JJ's Mystical Market. My name is JJ and today I have a smaller box, so I figured I'd do a little short of it. And this one is from WitchGang Apothecary. I can share the information in the comments there. So we'll kind of open it up. Wow, that is a very strong scent. I'm not sure what it is exactly, but we will find out here shortly. So, it says, WitchGang Apothecary Spell of the Month. This month's spell box blends the cleansing energy of water and the transformative power of candle magic and the ancient protective properties of clove. Traditionally used for, that's what must be what I smell. I don't know what that was. So traditionally used for protection, prosperity, purification, and banishing negative energy. Clove is a powerful ally for intention work and spiritual cleansing. Suggested ritual, it says, create your sacred space and take a moment to ground yourself. Focus clearly on your intention, whether it be protection, abundance, prosperity, cleansing, or clearing, and releasing negative energy. Dress your floating candle. So let's, I guess, kind of open this up and see what we got going on here before I read too much more into it. So we have like a little wrapped piece here. And so what we got going on here? Oh, that's cute. Okay. So we got this little dish. And besides that, there is a little floating candle. So I'm assuming you would fill this up with water and put the floating candle inside of there. That's a really cute idea. I like that. So, all right. And then, as I was saying, it says dress your floating candle with the included clove oil. So that is, like I said, probably what I was smelling. Wow, yeah, that's what I was smelling. That is very strong. So let's see, we'll pull that bottle out. Hopefully it didn't break open. Let's see here. Might just be that strong. I don't think it's broke open, so I think we're okay. So yeah, so we got the little clove oil here. And then got some herbs, it looks like, in a little bag. So, and it says, place the floating candle into the star bowl that has been filled with purified water and carefully light the flame. Okay, it says it's sage and wildflower is what that is. So sage and wildflower. And as the candle drifts in the water, visualize your intention flowing outward to the universe while negativity, stagnant energy, and obstacles dissolve away. Allow the candle to burn safely while you meditate, journal, pray, or simply sit quietly with the energy of your working. Dispose of your spell remnants in accordance with your traditions and or practices. If you have any questions, you can feel free to email them, and it has their email. And it says, as always, trust your intuition. Your magic is personal. So yeah, so that's cute. I think that's all we have in there. So yeah, that's a cute little box. So with all, and like I said, this is very strong. Smells good though. It does smell good. So, all right. Well, that is our box. So if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe. And until next time, may the stars light your way and blessed be.